Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce this 8-inch special head unit DVD player for Toyota Avalon 2013 to 2018 years. Okay, it comes with special harness. This canvas decoder and special harness. So it is plug and play. Okay. You can choose the time, you can choose logo, and check the settings. Belsee is a manufacturer of Android car head unit. Telephone number and email address, you can contact us. You can choose the Belsee logo and theme editor, you can adjust here. Any color you can adjust. Okay. Oh, it's here. It's built in the Play Store and instruction user menu. And if you have any more questions, it's already built in the instructions. Auto links for wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Okay. Built-in Play Store is built in the Google Maps, and this Google Maps is radio, it's mute, it's volume, this knob, this home, this back, this load off, load on, this DSP amplifier, this DVD player. Okay. Lamp press, you will choose the app. You can choose it. And let me check the settings. About the tablet, you can check the Android version. Android 11 system. Okay. And this memory total 8 GB and storage 128 GB and sleep mode display. There are 8 styles screen. Okay, and the button lights, you can choose any color. It's changed green, red. Okay. About device, you can check Android 11 and RAM 8 GB, shown 128 GB. This password 8878. Click OK. You can change these settings. Those settings you can change it. You can choose the boot logo. Okay. And connect Wi-Fi. This SIM card, it comes with SIM card slot. This is our website, belsee.com. If you have any more questions, please just visit our website, contact us. Okay, lamp press, you can set the Bluetooth, and you also can open the Bluetooth dial. Please enable Bluetooth from your phone at first. Okay, this is Bluetooth, and click search. Your phone will get a message. Please click pair. Okay, connected, show Bluetooth icon. You can make a phone call. Okay, it works with the Bluetooth phone call. You also can stream music from your phone. Okay, it works with the Bluetooth phone call. You also can change this home screen default launcher with default launcher, and it's also very fast response. You can play music by USB. There are total 3 USB ports. This random, this DSP amplifier. Okay, adjust. Okay, and the sub out filter, smart sound is MP, delay. Okay. Okay, that's all. If you have any more questions, please just visit our website to contact us. You also can set the HMA car launcher as default. This home screen. Okay, that's all. Thank you.